Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Watch the moment groom played video of bride naked in bed with her brother-in-law at wedding reception. Groom plays a video of cheating bride naked in bed with her brother-in-law on wedding day. The footage, which has gone viral in China, was shown on a big screen at the wedding. According to online reports, the groom discovered his fiancée had an affair with her pregnant sister's husband. In the viral video, the MC is heard telling the crowd, "Now we are going to show you the videos of how the newlyweds grew up." But seconds later, an X-rated video starts playing from the projector. The clip then showed the groom accusing the bride on stage, "You thought I didn't know?" and the bride throwing her bouquet at her partner before people ran to the stage to separate them. An influential Chinese entertainment blogger known as Jiang Zhehubaje claimed that the bride cheated on her fiancé after suffering from domestic violence from him, and she also admitted the affair. He also added that the bride and her brother-in-law developed feelings for each other after the latter started to intervene between her and her fiancé during their dispute over domestic violence. Guys, let me know what you think about this wahala in the comment section below. Do you think the groom went too far as exposing them on the wedding day? What would you have done in their place? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.